Welcome to ABConvert. Rita here. ABConvert allows merchants to set up price tests or product content tests and shipping tests within minutes. Our goal is to help merchants make decisions with data, eliminating guesswork. Simple but powerful. We split traffic in real time to display different test variants without involving any alternate tests. We then collect key data from your website, tracking the entire user journey, including views, add to cart, checkout, and orders. All this data is displayed in our analytics dashboard, where merchants can make informed decisions based on the results. To ensure a seamless experience, we offer a theme check service for every new user to ensure compatibility with our app. Get started with our free trials and explore our comprehensive test suite today. We're excited to have you on board as a valued ABConvert user.